at all.
Does she live there?
How are you?
Well, the hamper.
Pig, aren't you pretty?
It is the
Aren't you pretty, pig?
There's only
You
one
gonna
kid
eat
living
the
there now.
camera?
The other one's went to Florida.
Yeah.
But,
What
he
you
made
doing?
a comment on my birthday that just made me think way
Come on.
less of him even
Come on.
more than I already thought. He said, my house is clean, my belly is full, and my nuts are empty.
I know. I know. You're beautiful, too. I know. Come here. Come on, pig. Come on, pig.
How about you freeze up that skirt?
Come on. Good boy. You're a good boy. Yes. 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 You're a good boy.
How about that snow last night?
And it's warm out here. Come on.
Did you have any trouble driving in it? Actually, just going down
You're
the
happy.
driveway, I fished